Okay, significant progress on the desk. The two cabinets are nearly complete. You see this one has the room for the four smaller drawers. This one over here will have two smaller drawers on top and the deep drawer on the bottom. I actually miscalculated the number of brown pieces I needed for the faces of the drawers, so I can't complete them right now, but I'll be making that order soon. I also have fit together the large pieces, so in the back there you see the skirt. Let me come around to what will be the front of the desk. So you see the front of the skirt there, and it fits in these two large joints that will be tightly closed when it is finally fully assembled. On the side, again, you can see this pattern here that matches the color scheme, and basically just big squares for decoration. And on the top, so I'm nearly done. The final desk before I put the top on will be about as high as the skirt here, and so you can see the struts that are going in between all the shelves. That's to stabilize everything. And there is just enough room for the drawers to slide underneath. This small gap right here is for a truss that will go across the front to square up the front. It won't be nearly as big or as thick as the skirt in the back, but it's just something to stabilize, and it will have a slight curve and angle to it as it goes across. On the sides here, again, you can just get a better view. All these bright yellow bricks, as I've said before, they're not visible in the final build, so I used the bright ones for cost savings on material cost. But it's coming along nicely. I do obviously have to still make the top. What I'm going to do once I finish building these cabinets, and then I've got to wait as I order pieces for the rest of the drawers, but first I'm going to see how much of the top I can make. I'm not sure I've got all the pieces I need for it yet, so I'm going to build as much of the top as I can, but in order to do that I'm going to have to take this whole desk off of this dining room table here, so I have a hard surface to build the top on, so I can move these cabinets. And again, this is easily assembled and disassembled into the two cabinets and the skirt in the front. That's the whole idea, is that I hope I will be able to put these pieces in my car to drive them where they need to be delivered. That would be really convenient. And right now, no glue, although I'm pretty sure I'm going to glue the bottom edges of the drawers because they pop off quite easily if they're bumped. And the handles here, I'm going to glue these pieces just because they're going to get pulled a lot, and if you take the drawers all the way out and hold them by the handle, you can do it without the glue, but it'll just be a little bit better with glue. But other than that, I don't know that I'll put any other glue on any of the pieces. So it's coming along very nicely. I should finish these cabinets this week, and then I'll begin working on the top and then ordering more pieces. So we still have some time to go, mainly waiting for pieces to show up and all that, but the building is going very smoothly. No weird happenings at this point.